2024 is about healthy, glossy, shiny hair. If you want to know how to create that glossy, shiny hair, I'm going to show you the best products to use. The Botanical Repair shampoo and conditioner is the ultimate in repairing hair and creating a gorgeous foundation for beautiful, healthy hair. Aveda have also just released their bond building flash treatment, and it is amazing for that mirror shine glass hair look. It literally takes 10 seconds after shampoo and conditioner. Apply it all over the hair, rinse it out. It is going to leave your hair so shiny, glossy, gorgeous. It is so good. This is another shine treatment by Davines. So this one, very similar. You apply it after shampooing, before conditioning. Apply it roots to ends. It really sealed down that cuticle. This will create an ultra shine and softening effect on the hair. If you have highlighted or balayage hair and you're not using a repair treatment at home, what are you even doing? Seriously, you need a good repair treatment, and Botanical Repair is the best. Naturally derived, works on the hydrogen bonds of the hair, make the hair stronger. It'll make your hair shinier, softer. It comes in light and rich. So for myself, finer hair type, I'm gonna use the light. Coarser hair, need a little bit extra something, you're gonna wanna use the rich mask. If you know me, you know I love the Project Sukuroi Gold Smoothing Balm. I bought this for so many members of my family and friends because I love it so much. So how is this different from other products? Well, this one is a balm, so it's a lot more rich. You only literally need the smallest amount. You can apply this to wet or dry hair. So not only does it smooth the hair down and make it gorgeous and shiny, but this gorgeous iridescence to the product. So like a pearlescent kind of a shine. Stunning.